Google's Gemini Omni could become one of the biggest AI shifts we've seen in years. Real-time voice interaction, screen understanding, AI agents, and deep integration with Android, Chrome, Gmail, and Google services. But while everyone argues about which AI model is smarter, smart entrepreneurs are asking a different question. How can this technology actually make money? Because every major tech revolution creates new opportunities. The internet created online businesses, smartphones created app empires, social media created influencers, and AI? AI could create an entirely new digital economy. And in this video, we'll explore exactly how people could use Gemini Omni to build businesses, side hustles, and income streams in the future. One of the biggest opportunities may be AI assistant services for businesses. Most small businesses struggle with replying to customers, booking appointments, answering messages, and managing social media. But Gemini Omni's real-time voice and task capabilities could automate much of that work. Imagine building an AI assistant for restaurants, salons, real estate agencies, online stores, or local businesses. The AI could answer customer questions instantly, book appointments automatically, reply on WhatsApp or email, and even manage customer support 24/7. Businesses save time, customers get faster replies, and the person who sets up the AI system, they get paid monthly. This could become one of the biggest freelance opportunities in the AI era. Content creation is exploding, but creating content consistently is hard. That's where Gemini Omni could become incredibly powerful. Imagine asking AI to write scripts, generate captions, create thumbnails, suggest edits, generate subtitles, and organize social media posts, all from one conversation. That means one person could run an entire content agency using AI tools. You could create YouTube automation channels, TikTok content pages, Instagram marketing agencies, or faceless media brands. Small businesses desperately need content, but many don't know how to create it. So people who understand both AI and storytelling could build extremely profitable businesses. This may become one of the biggest opportunities of all. AI automation. Most companies waste countless hours doing repetitive tasks. Sending emails, managing spreadsheets, scheduling meetings, writing reports, responding to inquiries. Now imagine creating AI systems that automate all of it. For example, an AI that automatically replies to customer emails, an AI sales chatbot, an AI system that creates marketing campaigns, or an AI workflow that manages online orders. Businesses care about one thing: saving time and increasing profit. And if your AI system saves a company hours of work every day, they may gladly pay thousands of dollars for it. The next generation of freelancers may not just sell skills, they may sell AI-powered systems. Gemini Omni could massively increase content speed, and speed matters online, because attention is money. With AI assistance, a single creator could produce multiple YouTube videos weekly, daily TikToks, Instagram Reels, short-form clips, and social media campaigns, without a large team. Imagine saying, create 10 viral video ideas about luxury cars, and the AI instantly generates hooks, titles, scripts, thumbnail ideas, music suggestions, and editing plans. This could make YouTube automation and faceless channels even bigger, especially for creators who understand storytelling and trends. Because AI can help create content, but humans still understand emotion and entertainment better. Another massive opportunity: building AI-powered apps. The biggest money may not come from using Gemini Omni directly, but from building products around it. Imagine creating AI study assistants, AI fitness coaches, AI business advisors, AI shopping assistants, AI travel planners, or AI resume builders. Instead of people using raw AI, they'll use simple apps that solve specific problems. And businesses built around convenience often become extremely valuable. That's exactly what happened during the smartphone revolution. The winners weren't only phone manufacturers, they were app creators. And AI may create the next app economy. During every technological revolution, a small group of people moves early while everyone else watches. Those early movers usually win the most. The internet created digital entrepreneurs, social media created creators, and AI may create an entirely new class of builders. But the winners probably won't be the people with the highest IQs or the biggest companies. They'll be the people who adapt the fastest, the people willing to experiment, to learn, to fail early, and to combine AI with real human skills. Because AI alone is not enough. The real power comes from combining AI with storytelling, AI with branding, AI with psychology, AI with business strategy. That combination could become unbelievably valuable. The future may belong to people who know how to direct intelligence instead of competing against it. And right now, we may still be in the earliest stage of that transformation. Right now, Gemini Omni is still surrounded by leaks, speculation, and early demonstrations, but something much bigger is happening underneath the surface. AI is slowly becoming infrastructure, like electricity, like the internet, like smartphones. And once technology becomes infrastructure, entire industries are built on top of it. That's why this moment matters, because the next billion-dollar companies may not be built by giant corporations alone. They may be built by small creators, developers, freelancers, and entrepreneurs who understand how to use AI before everyone else. The AI revolution is no longer just about smarter chatbots. It's about automation, attention, productivity, and entirely new business models. The world may be entering a new digital economy where AI becomes part of almost every industry on Earth, and the people building that future today could define the next generation of wealth. So maybe the real question isn't, will AI change the world? Because it already is. The real question is, who will build the businesses powering the AI future? So if you want to stay ahead in the AI revolution, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.